Hello everyone and welcome back. So today let's talk about product lifecycle management in Odoo 14 manufacturing. So this module can be used to manage engineering change orders with real-time communication. So Odoo PLM improves the power of that is increases the power of an enterprise social network to help you to communicate more efficiently uh, across multiple departments. So everyone follows only what they need. Approvals are simple and discussions on documents are centralized in real time. So with this PLM, we have smart versioning feature with efficient difference and merge. So you can work on several versions of the same bill of material in parallel and apply only the differences to manage multiple changes. So you can create different versions of products and bill of materials. So here when you search for PLM, you can find that module after installing it. So you can see the created, so this is the PLM overview where we can see the engineering change order types. So can see the new production introduction, production revision. So from configuration, you can configure more ECO types. Like you can configure one with providing name and email alias. So you can create new ECO type from here, and also it is possible to create engineering change orders. That is sorry, engineering changes. So before that, let's see what are the existing ECO change stages. So you can see new, in progress, validated, effective, rejected. So can see the stages from here, and we can set ECO tags, create ECO tags from here. Okay, so let's create engineering change for a product revision. So you can see for this type, for this ECO type, already some stages are created, like new, progress, validated, effective, rejected. So suppose I'm selecting this settings of the stage, and when I edit the stage, you can see the name of the stage, type, ECO type, and we can fold in Kanban view, allow to apply changes and mark it as final stage. So this I'm not enabling now. It can be used later. Okay, so here I can add approval lines. So whether you need approval in the stage or not. So I have added a comment and added user misled me and add a approval type as comments only. You can also see other options like approves, but the approval is optional and is required to approve. Okay, so when you click on this in progress stage, you can see here one approval is added. First approval, so approval is needed by uh, that is Mark Demo and Michelle Bean need to approve this, and you can see approval type is required to approve. Then for validated, you can see I have added final approval, and final approval need to be done by this user, and approval type is required to approve. And I have also set allow to apply changes. I have enabled this. So at this stage, uh, changes need to be applied, and then we can see final stage, effective stage. So this one here, this is my final stage. I have marked it as final stage, and if you want to add approvals, you can add from here, but this is my final stage. Then you can see rejected stage. When when engineering change order is rejected, you can move, it will be moved to this stage. Okay, so let's create a new ECO. From here we can add ECO short summary, then type. So I'm setting, already you can see this product division, and we can apply it on product only or on bill of material. So when you select bill of material, here we have to select the product and bill of material. So I'm selecting my table. You can see the corresponding bill of material, then a company name, responsible person, then effectivity. So that is date on which the change should be applied for. So for reference only. So I can set a date. So if you choose add date, then effective date can be set. So I'm setting first option as soon as possible. Then we can add tags and note for description for our engineering change order is damaged. Then we can see the approvals. So we have to see, we can see this only after saving this engineering change order. You can see for first stage, new stage, you can see no approval is needed, but you can have to comment. Status is not yet commented by requested user. So here it is possible to provide comment on log note. Great work. And we can just click, can add smileys from here and we can just click. So it is comment is added by mutual admin, and after that we can just move to in progress state. We can start new revision. So now you can see the status is commented. So it is commented by mutual admin, and now it is possible to move to in progress state. So you can see it is moved to in progress state, and when you come back here you can see it is moved to the state. We can also drag this to next state by just clicking on this and dragging. But we can see you cannot change the stage as approvals are still required because we have added approvals is required on this stage. So just click on this, and from here also we can change stage, but we need approval because we have added approval for the stage. So you can see first approval is required and it is not yet done, and it is required in progress state, and which need to be done by Mark Demo and Michelle. So from here, it is possible to reject this proposal, and also we can approve this. Suppose if it is approved, so we can see status change to approved and green color. Now, from here, then again we can also reject this approval, reject this proposal. Now it is possible to move to validated stage. So here, from here, you can see um, uh, previous one is approved, next one needs final approval, and it is in validated stage and need to be approved by John Willis. Okay, so here we can find our bill of material revision 2. So just click on that, and here you can see it is archived. So just edit this, and here we can change the table leg. So you can create table leg new, and you can go to so I have added table leg new and added, okay, let me add two quantity. Okay, now under miscellaneous, you can see the version is 2. So this is the second version of the bill of material. And after that, you can save this. And here, when you come back, and if you want to remove this approval, you can just come here and edit this stage. And you can just remove this and save this. So when you go back, so here it is possible to apply the change. So when you apply change, it is automatically moved to effective stage. Now, when you check the bill of material, so here we have our table. So now you can see the components is changed here, and under miscellaneous, you can find the version is changed to version 2. So in the same way, for products also, we can change the version. We can create, that is, create new versions of products. So when you check some products, you can see that field version. Suppose I'm opening table. So here you can see it's version 2. So like this way, you can create different versions of products and bill of materials using this product lifecycle. Then we can also see the changes, total changes. So you can see the engineering change orders. We can see the managed products from here, from this module. Then we can see bill of materials. Then we can manage work centers. We can configure work centers by clicking this. So already we have done a video on configuring work centers in manufacturing. So we can check that. Then here comes the reporting section of engineering change orders. So when you click on this, you can see the engineering change orders managed, that is in a company. So you can select different measure, like you can select count or color or BOM revision. Then we can see different views, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and we can sort the orders report. We can also see option to filter with that is by my change orders, awaiting by validation, to apply, in progress, conflict, then bill of materials, routing. Then we can see option to group it according to state, stage, company. And we also have a pivot view for this engineering change orders. So we can add measures and we can see the analysis and we can insert data to spreadsheet. So here we can find option to insert in spreadsheet. So you can add regular reports to spreadsheet. So that's all about product lifecycle management in Odoo 14 manufacturing.